In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an adorable and memorable slideshow of your pet photos using CapCut. Whether you're looking to share it with friends on social media or simply want a keepsake of your furry friend's best moments, this guide will ensure you get a polished result. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is gather all of your favorite pet photos and import them into CapCut. This is easily done by selecting the images from your device and dragging them into the software. Once all your photos are uploaded, arrange them in the order that you like best. This sequence could be by date, by theme, or simply by how visually appealing they look side by side. Taking the time to arrange your photos now will set the stage for a seamless viewing experience later on. Next, we want to focus on creating a smooth transition between each image. CapCut offers a range of transition effects, but for this project, you'll want to select either soft fade or slide transitions. These provide a gentle and pleasing look to your slideshow, enhancing your photos without overwhelming them. As you add these transitions, be sure to preview how each one looks to keep the flow consistent and engaging. Now that you've got your photos in order and transitions added, it's time to inject some personality into your slideshow with text captions or funny stickers. This can be a great way to convey the mood of the photos or add a playful touch with funny anecdotes or comments. CapCut allows you to customize the font, size, and color of your text, as well as choose from a variety of fun stickers. This additional layer of customization will make your slideshow uniquely yours and delightful to watch. To truly bring your slideshow to life, consider adding some upbeat or cute music in the background. CapCut has an extensive library of music tracks you can choose from, or you can upload your own if there's a specific tune you have in mind. The right music can elevate the emotion of your slideshow, so take some time to experiment with different tracks until you find the perfect fit. Remember to adjust the volume so it complements the visuals rather than overpowering them. Lastly, to highlight those standout photos, consider applying zoom or pop animations. These animations draw extra attention by providing subtle movement and can be particularly effective on images that are especially cute or striking. You might want to use these effects sparingly, as too much movement can detract from the overall viewing experience. And there you have it, a charming, lively slideshow of your pet photos that you can share and enjoy again and again. With these easy steps, CapCut lets you transform simple photos into a captivating story of the animals you love. Enjoy creating